I'm going to show you how to make a chevron pattern background using Microsoft Word. So if you want something that looks similar to this, what you'll do is get a new document going. The basics of the chevron pattern are the diagonal lines, so that's what we're going to want to make. First, go to Layout and change your margins to very narrow. Then you're going to want to start putting lines on the paper. So you're going to go to where you insert a shape, find your lines. Here's a line. I'm going to take the line from the top corner, come down. I'm going to make this view so I can see the whole page. And then I want to select this shape and format it. I'm going to go with black, and then you want to click on weights and arrows. The weight is the thickness. I'm going to go with 20. Okay. Now I want to duplicate this, so copy, paste, 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 and I want to speed this up just a little bit, so copy all that, paste, grab them, actually move them down here. Okay, then what I'm going to do is I really want to take out a section, kind of like the video that I found on YouTube that I had posted. I need to take a little section out of here. So I'm going to use Command-Shift-4, and my arrow is going to change. Command-Shift-4 at the same time. Pressing all three will give you this. Then I'm going to come up and I want to grab about 1.5 inches worth of the black lines. So I'm going to use my ruler up here to judge, but here's 1.5 inches, and I come down just as far as I can go, and making sure that I have all the pattern, and then I'm gonna let go. That screenshot is going to be on my desktop right here. What I'm gonna do is get rid of all my lines on here and go into my layout once again, go into my margins, and I have the last custom setting at being 0, 0, 0, and 0. You want to set all your margins to 0, top, bottom, left, right, 0. And you're going to drag your screenshot onto your new document. You're going to copy it, and then you're going to paste it to make the chevron pattern. Next step is to, once you select your pasted one, go to rotate, and this is where the chevron is made. You flip it horizontal. There you go. And now you want to simply copy the first one, paste, copy the second one, paste, first one, second one. Okay, I obviously can't fit another one right there. Now I'm going to do one more screenshot of the whole pattern. So I'm going to use Command, Shift, and 4 and change my arrow. Command, Shift, 4, same time. And I'm going to grab as much of the pattern as I can get. If you only want it to here, like 4 sets, here's 6 sets. It's up to you how much pattern you want. On my lesson plan binder I have 4 sets. This one ended up being 6. Grab it. Now that image is on your desktop. I don't like to add text box on top of 6 pictures if they all start moving around, so I would start a new document, brand new, drag the screenshot right on there. Now you can, it's one clip art, you can stretch it to however big you need it. And that's when you can decide on whether or not you're going to add a text box. I'm going to change the format on this because it's not looking right, but tight. I can pull it around, move it around, get it how I want it. So there you go, that's how you make the chevron background, and then you can start adding text box and create something like I did earlier. This is just a text box on top with lesson plans 2013-2014 that I could transfer over to this brand new one that we just made. So, very cool. And you can do all sorts of things to change your new text box. Totally up to you. Well, have fun with it. Hope that makes sense. You just need to know the MacBook Air commands with Command, Shift, and 4 to do your screenshot, and remember diagonal lines. Thanks. Have a great day.